morning. Tayo ay morning in Canada, Calgary. Tayo lalakad lang para hindi tayo magkasakit ng tuluyan. Medyo masama pakiramdam kagabi pa, kahapon pa. Pero exercise lang tayo, lakad lang, walk, brisk walking. Kaya di na kailangan yung mga bago. Tayo. So, edit way, edit crescent, edit drive. Ayan yung street, mga bahay dito. Doon daw may mga exercise area daw doon. Isang ikot lang tayo para makita natin yung lugar na naglalakad. Sarap ng simoy ng Canada. Malinis. Lasang suman. Marami pa siyang bakanting lupa. Yun o. Tayo. May mga naglalakad din ha. Exercise din. May Indian. Glacier Ridge paired. Saan yung exit dito? Exit entrance. Maluwag. Maluwag pa rin ang Canada. Super luwag ang kanilang space pa. Compare mo sa California. The Village. Pero mas gusto ko pa rin Cali. Siyempre Pilipinas, number 1. Walang kapares pa rin yung pamumuhay sa atin. Hindi ko ipagpapalit, kaso nga lang mahirap sa atin eh. Pero mas masaya, mas malayong masayang pamumuhay sa Pilipinas. Sigurado yan. Mahirap pero yung saya iba. Ako kung pwede pumasok dito eh. Baka masita ako. The Village. Hirap na. Balik na tayo. Walang ano. Hindi ko makita yung exercisean. Wala. Baka dun sa loob niyan ay nakalak pa. Lakad na rin tayo. Ay, iniikot na rin natin ito eh. Pabalik na tayo. Doon pa tayo sa dulo. Tayo sa ating Airbnb. Exercise na rin tayo. So, dito kami sa number 53. Alam mo kaya kami naligaw-ligaw kasi yung edit na siguro na yun. Alright, we are here.
And then we sa inyo.
May na kayo mag-rice.
Yes, ma'am. That's it. Thank you.
Tuloy pa si Tyson, nak.
Because I just reminded them.
Ngayon mo ako.
Sa yung mga bata, kutkot ng kutkot. Where are we going?
Yok lang.
It's
full now. Is that full? So why is it red? The record.
Where's your glasses?
Oh. Oh, can you do it? That's.
No.
Oh.
I'm going back there.
Wait, you see it, Liv? You see that Olympic sign?
Say hi.
Oh, yeah. The ski jump. Oh, when they do those like flips.
Camera?
Sure. Oh, did you found it?
My dad said to bring it.
Found
Yeah, I did, but we don't need it.
that's your dad's.
Yeah, you want to do it?
Why me?
Don't you
Wait,
want
the
to
whole
record?
time?
You don't have to do it the whole time.
I don't even know how to work this.
Just literally just.
Going back. Going back. This way.
We gotta go around
That's why.
Let's ready? Hey, let's live. Yeah. Hey, let's wait for them.
Go, go, no, go, 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 go. She said no, wait.
Bruh. Oh my gosh. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, buddy. Where are you going?
Ali. Tana.
Oh, do you see that tag?
No.
Wait, don't forget to record.
Jada, say hi. Jada!
Take it, Joanna. And let me take your spot.
You didn't want to go again?
Want to go?
Was it rainy? A little bit.
Jonah.
Guys, is this it? Yeah. I'm gonna see if I can change the
Wait,
color.
Diana, show us again.
Wait, what are you guys trying to do?
Guys, say hi.
Like the soy sesame seed with the. I feel like that. That's This is the perfect time to play. Dude, so his cultures are like too scary. Blueprint right here.
Nowhere.
I've been imitated, never recreated.
Went downstairs. And then I was
Ano yung halo mo, Roy? Ganyan din?
Hindi, ano halo?
Wala. May mix na yan eh.
Ako even dance like that in the Philippines.
Ha?
Ako even dance like that.
Oh, yeah.
No, I never danced in the Philippines. Only here. You're such a good dancer.
I know that.
You went good. That stick was like. Oh no. You look like like what? Like you know like because of that is like freaking dancing. That's enough for me. Which one? Yeah.
That's what we know.
Are you?
So I don't know if we get to be able to watch it.
No,
Okay.
Wait, fuck. Okay, my turn.
Yeah, that's what he said. And what?
I said not in Africa. He's all like, bruh.
Western solstice is
Western solstice.
I get it.
I knew it's really. I didn't say it. I was like, bro.
Okay, let's eat. Last day. Still cooking. What's your cooking, boss? Cooking sausage, Portuguese sausage, or what do you call it? Calabasas. Late sleep, early wake up. Responsible. Oh, God. Look at that. Ay na, alin. Tulog ng mga bata. Yan o.
I love freaking That's why he's been eating baskets like all the time. So my fingers are almost
You can? That's why he got that.
It's not like it's in your cheeks right here.
This food's good.
Did you try this one, yeah? Wala na coffee? Wala na coffee?
Did you cook it?
Oh wait, I do. Okay. Yeah. Galitan.
Just drive it here.
Uy, Philippines!
Okay, magpapagas muna kami. Papagas muna bago ibalik yung car. Dito sa...
I don't know how to work this. So.
Okay.
I don't know why you need to put the amount. The last.
It's $30 for 17 liters.
Oh, here. You ask the guy.
It's okay. So, hindi pa puno yung ano, yung tank. So, papagas ulit. Dagdagan niya. Kasi para maibalik namin. Mag-add ulit. Stop truck. Kanina is $30 plus 50 plus 23. Let's go to the airport.
This is dry cup. You give.
Okay, wait lang natin yung asthma. Bang asthma ni Ace. Ano siyang sepa ko dito. Kaantay ng konti. Ganda ng work yun. Napakakalmado. Relax lang. Chill lang ang work niya dito. Pharmacist natin kabayan. Taga Marinduque. Ano naman tong trabaho mo, ma'am? Tahimik.
Naku.
Kala mo na, busy rin. Walang
Buti nga siya cool eh. Cool na cool yan.
Ilan years ka na dito? Sa work? Sa work na to? Dito?
Parang dumat ako 2002, 2004.
Oh,
Yung pang asma.
bait ng ano, pharmacist. May discount pa, $5. Let's go. Okay, that's it. Pili na kami ng gamot.
Yeah, sure. On the desk, we have more plus 2x.
Pilipino.
Po, take your time
Ba
po.
talaga ang
Unload your
Pilipino, no?
things po. Check.
Saka sa atin?
Sa Pasay po.
Pasay.
Kayo po, saan po kayo?
Sa La Union.
La Union, sa yung sumisikat ngayon, di ba?
LU.
LU.
There you go. Punta ka na doon?
Hindi po po, di pa ako nakaka-uwi. Baka next this year na.
Huwag mo makalimutan, punta ka na sa La
Opo,
Union.
sa La Union. Hindi nga po nauso yung mga artista.
Kung gusto mo ng rental na motor, yan. Salamat ah. Dito na kami sa Calgary Airport. Calgary Airport going to Vancouver. Dito na tayo. Check-in muna tayo ng mga pagkain natin.
And then I think this one, I don't know.
Says what it says.
No, parang ganyan siya sa loob niya.
Okay, let's go, let's go. Yung kulon bawal.
à monter à bord.
To Vancouver. Okay, we're boarding to Vancouver.
Fast and reliable onboard internet. It's free for WestJet Rewards members for the duration of your flight. Connect on your personal.
Can have folks please step.
Please.
Guys. Bilis na nabi.
Basta
Sa baka?
nakakapagaling yung mga...
Ano yung real port?
Ano, wala na present na?
We're going to buy Asian food.
I'm just gonna go to the store.
Oh, let's go. Oh, I don't like this weather. I hate it.